Sawa ka na ba sa paulit-ulit na monthly rent? Ito ang signs na ready ka na to own your first home.
Sino ang tatawagin? RRCT Realty, yeah.
Kung retiree ka na naghahanap ng peaceful community o investor na gusto ng mas mabilis ang appreciation, this one is for you. Ito ang signs na ready ka na to buy your first home as an investor. Number 1, may ipon ka na at gusto mong i-convert into a real asset. Number 2, hanap mo yung bahay na strategic, accessible, pero tahimik. And number 3, ready ka na mag-settle or magparenta para sa passive income. That's exactly what Greenway Place offers. Apex Homes ang developer. Awarded as top developer ng Pag-ibig at meron ng more than 28 years of solid track record sa real estate since 1997. At 50,000 plus homes na ang naitayo nationwide. Greenway is one of the most affordable house and lot in Bulacan na pinakamalapit sa Metro Manila. With options like townhouse, townhouse with carport, duplex, na perfect for retirement or rental business.
Ready ka na bang mag-avail ng sarili mong house and lot dito sa Greenway Place, Santa Maria, Bulacan? Message mo kami sa RRCT Realty at tutulungan ka namin sa bawat detalye at proseso. Makakaasa ka na gagabayan ka namin mula reservation hanggang house turnover dahil ang RRCT Realty ay kapartner mo sa pag-abot ng pangarap mong magkabahay.
Sino ang tatawagin?